Hi there, welcome. This is Old Monkey. I am playing Tell Me Why by Don't Not Games. This is part 3 of chapter 2. Let's see what happens. There's the little walking guy. Okay, right where I left off.
So I have to warn you. I can't believe the old cannery's still in business.
Plenty more fish in the sea. For now.
Can't believe the old cannery's still in business.
Plenty more fish in the sea. For now.
People come here from thousands of miles away to look at that glacier, and we get to see it from our deck.
I see you have your sales pitch ready for the buyer.
Yeah, I would like to go.
Look at that. Coastal fog's taken over the summit.
It's a perfect day for a spooky hike in the woods. Too bad we have to get the house ready for the showing.
Remember that time both the bridges collapsed?
Yeah. It was a week before they got the roads reopened. And Sam had to bring us supplies with his boat.
Felt like our house was on a deserted island, but way colder.
Not sure why we're here. Be fair. But I'll follow Tyler. Speaking of Tyler, I Googled him yesterday, and I think his name is August, and he is a trans voice actor. I followed him on Twitter. He got nominated for awards for this game, for the voice acting, so oh yeah, this is just the bear warning. Okay. Why did we come here? Well, Tyler will tell us what to do.
Hey! Look what I found!
What? Carving? OA.
Aha!
Ollie?
I knew it was still here.
I knew we'd been here before. You claimed it as part of the Ronin kingdom.
And it still is. All it needs is a little update.
I was confused last time about why they were calling each other Ronin, not
doing?
realizing that that was their last name.
What I wanted to do back then, but I didn't have the guts.
Changing his initial.
There, looking better already.
You're right.
Good
Way
thing you had
better.
that knife. Arboglyph achievement. I don't know what arboglyph means. I haven't a clue.
So, what's the plan?
Clean the house.
We go inside and calmly ask Eddie
All right,
why he
Eddie.
was there that day.
All right.
Or how
Let's
calm
try to
this
let
is
him
going to
get
be.
his side of the story out. Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I understand, Mr. Barrow. I'll be sure to let him know. Yes, I have it all written down. Have a good day, Mr. Barrow.
Officer Wilson.
Morning,
Oh.
Missy.
How'd you
I'm-
get stuck working reception?
Rose called in sick this morning. I'm covering for her while I try to get my paperwork done. What are you doing here?
Just checking in with Uncle Eddie.
I'm guessing from the identical features that this is Tyler?
Tyler, Denise, Tyler.
Hello. Say something,
Wilson.
Tyler.
Could you tell Officer Vincenzi that I'll be... Oh, good morning, Allison.
Hi, Uncle.
I'm gonna take Dr. Torres' statement. No need for Vincenzi to come back to the station.
He doesn't seem like he's in the best of moods.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but he's been a little off all day. Good luck.
Great. He has an excuse to brush us off.
I'm sure he'll make...
Hey,
He speaks. How's Delos treating you so far?
I like it
it's
here.
been good to see Allison.
She's been talking nonstop about you lately. I know she's happy to have you here. Hey, been meaning to say, Allison showed us that article you wrote for the Juneau Daily last year. You were spot on. The state needs to be giving way more money to youth centers. Fireweed was lucky to have you.
Why not?
Thanks. I spent a lot of time fighting for more outdoor activities. Made some enemies in the administration over that one. But the first time those kids summited Mount Roberts, man, they were so proud. It felt great.
I know exactly what you mean. I volunteer sometimes with the JCE. Give lectures about police work, lead group talks when I can.
Oh, what is the JCE?
JCE?
You know, Juneau Coalition for Equality.
Oh. Oh.
Sounds awesome.
Wait, really? That's awesome.
Yeah, and I don't mean to preach, but the kids in those groups, be it Fireweed or the JCE, they need people who really understand them. People who know where they're coming from and will fight for what they need. Anyways, sorry for the rant.
Oh, hello, kids.
Hello, middle-aged adult.
Everything all right? Your uncle said you two were going to be knee-deep in trash for a few days.
A few days? That's optimistic. It feels like
Chief
every...
Brown's
taking
more.
a statement, but you might be able to snag him when he's done.
Huh. Yes, you got my sympathies. When we emptied Linda's parents' house, I thought we'd have to rent a backhoe.
How is Linda? I feel like I haven't seen her in months.
Good. She started working over at the high school as the librarian. Pay's not great, but she gets to see the kids every day, so.
I bet Brendan's thrilled.
Oh, yeah. Happy as any teenager who's got to spend extra time with his mom.
Well, I'll let you work.
What's this guy going on
Not a
about?
bother.
Who is he?
Dr. Torres.
Tyler
You said your
Ronan.
daughter was
Good to
with
see
you
you again.
today?
Yes,
You've
she
gotten
was.
tall.
All known
That
for-
usually happens between ages 11 and 21.
Yeah.
Tyler, don't be a
Well,
dickweed.
Henderson,
welcome home.
July 16th, 2009.
Henderson. Different last name?
Thanks. It's been a while.
So, what brings you two
My
around?
ex-husband.
Does she live with you most of the time?
No, her father has primary custody. Because of my hours.
We're here to see Chief Brown.
Oh boy, what do you do now?
Suspects wanted for a felony.
Oh, well, don't forget to read him his Miranda rights. So is there anything I can help you with?
How's your day? Access to Marianne's file? No, I'm not going to ask for that.
Busy day around here?
Well, the fire alarm went off 3 times in the span of an hour this morning. I thought the chief was going to rip that alarm right off the wall.
All right.
I think we're going to find a way to get into that file anyway.
a.m. because someone vandalized your mailbox. Officer Vincenzi was dispatched to your home at 6:29 a.m. But you couldn't stay to give a statement?
Stand
I
here.
had to be in surgery at 9. I was already running behind.
Of course. Says here you work at Cottonwood Hospital?
That's right.
That sure is a commute.
It certainly is.
What's
How
your
far is
usual
it?
working hours?
I'm a surgical resident at one of the only hospitals.
Morning, Chief Brown.
Good morning, Tyler.
Hey, could we talk to you in private? It's a little urgent.
Can you excuse me for a second, Dr. Torres? What's going on, you two?
We had a few more questions about her mother.
Give us the
Look,
file.
Now's not the best time.
Well, maybe we can come back later then?
Excuse me. Come on. Guys, I'm understaffed today. I've got a receptionist out sick, an officer dealing with personal issues. I need to finish taking this woman's statement, and I don't have time to chat right now.
We were just hoping for some answers.
Well, I don't know what more you think I'm going to say. I already told you everything.
No, he
I need
didn't.
to get back to this complaint. Sorry, guys.
We're gonna find out.
Oh, I hate when he's stubborn like that. So what now?
Of course, Miss Torres. Where were we?
Yes.
Well, he's obviously not going to give us the truth. So I say we go get it ourselves. Where do you think they'd stash her file?
I don't know. The archive room? Maybe Eddie's office? Wait, you're not seriously thinking of breaking and entering a police archive?
Go big
Of course
or
we
go
are.
home.
All right. Incident report states you called yesterday at 6:13 a.m.
Maybe this dickweed will
Mailbox.
So,
Phyllis.
Tyler,
He was dispatched to your
Chief
home
said
at
you were a
6:29
mentor
a.m.
over at Fireweed, huh? You ever think of joining the force?
Greg's, he just got here.
Yeah, I know, but we could use more people like him.
I like that haircut.
Says here you work at Cottonwood Hospital.
That's right.
Am I gonna...
It certainly is.
Hmm.
Your usual working hours.
I'm just gonna say it's not my thing.
Thanks. But I'm not sure that's my thing.
Are you really trying to recruit my brother?
Huh, and why not?
Listen, we
We're
really
short-handed right
appreciate you
now.
coming in after-
And since you've shot down my offers, I figured I'd try the other Ronin kid.
Wouldn't hurt to lower the average age around here, I guess.
Make fun of old people. It's always funny. I'm old. I make fun of old people.
Could you go through the details
What's up?
Worry about your dog.
How did
Butter
you
her up
find
a
out
bit.
about the JCE?
Same way anyone finds anything. The internet. It took a few months before I actually went to a meeting, though. Every time I thought about going, I chickened out.
I can totally relate.
Well, trust me when I say it was the right move. It is a wonderful, supportive community. Can't recommend it enough.
Allison told me about your dog. I'm sorry.
Thanks, yeah. He was a good boy. The best.
I like dogs. I like being a cop.
So, how do you like being a cop? Must be kind of weird.
Oh, yeah. But I know I do a lot of good here. And the team's great. Chief Brown, he gets it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. We hired this guy last year who kept asking me to get him coffee. Chief canned his ass that day.
Wow. Way to go, Chief Brown.
What about you? Any thoughts on the future?
What do you mean of Denali? Okay, we'll say this.
It's been hard to make any plans. Things have been way too up in the air.
Well, this is something I have told your sister before, and that I'll tell you now. It's okay to take your time to figure things out. Figure yourself out. You'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, I think I asked everything.
See you around then.
Yeah, back to the grind. We'll talk later, okay?
Where's Isabella now?
She's back at her father's house for
Let's go upstairs,
Can I
Tyler.
get Mr. Henderson's information from you? I think it'd be helpful if
I was gonna do that anyway,
Yes.
Allison.
Hey, what are you two up to over there?
Oh.
Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's fine. We're just, I was just telling Tyler where the upstairs bathroom is. Tyler, help me out here.
Oh, yeah. Toilet emergency. Lake water. You know, Mother Nature's juice cleanse.
There's a bathroom just past the break room. Behind you. First door on your right.
Forget it, Tyler. There's no way we're getting upstairs out in the open like this. It's too suspicious. There must be another way up.
You know, Greg's was talking about a fire drill earlier. Are there any kind of fire exits?
Oh my god. Why didn't I think of that? Lobby, now.
Just the fire. There's a fire extinguisher. Not this. Oh.
All right. Let's see.
Delos Crossing, police station evacuation map, ground floor, first floor. Okay. Oh, there's 2 doors going outside. Upstairs.
All right. Let's see.
Okay, remove people from immediate danger, alert others, close windows and doors, evacuate the premises. Okay, emergency exit and walls. Okay, so there's... I don't know what this... There's something on the stairs? Something red on the stairs. I don't know what that is. Okay,
You heading out?
I don't think I smoke.
Yeah, I need a smoke.
You should think about quitting.
Yeah.
It's harder the longer you do it.
Yeah, I know.
While you're at it, get your sister to stop too.
We both smoke? Oh, maybe this is the other door? Okay, but what's this?
Those garbage cans are like the opposite of bear-proof. You know, it's actually really unhealthy for animals to eat our trash.
Simmer down. We don't have time for a ranger rant. And I've got the Wildlife Channel too, you know.
Fireworks are illegal in the state of Alaska. I didn't know that.
So that mailbox bandit struck again, huh?
Apparently so.
Why are people stealing mail?
Who's kooky enough to bike to work in sub-zero weather?
That would be Vincenzi. He's got a bike for every season. Names him too.
I live in a city where people are kooky enough to ride their bike in the middle of winter. Right now it's minus 10 Celsius. Although the other day it was in the 20s, which would be in Fahrenheit, I don't know, 10s, 20s. Cold.
Was that red warehouse part of the whole chicken farm business?
You know it. It's a shooting range now.
Ah. Is that supposed to be Greg's?
Oh, yeah.
Who's
Well,
Griggs?
No one knows for sure, but the resemblance is uncanny.
Who's the artist?
Oh.
Goldface.
Say that again?
Is that supposed to be Greg's?
Oh, yeah.
That's the guy with the funny
No one
haircut.
knows for sure, but the resemblance is uncanny.
Who's the artist?
Gold case.
Gold case, okay. I like going upstairs in this game.
There. Fire exit.
It opens up to a staircase on the side of the building, but it'll definitely be locked from the inside. If one of us were to create a diversion, the other could slip upstairs and open the door. And since you're the troublemaker, I nominate you as the one to make a scene.
Wait, really?
Got a better idea?
I'll volunteer.
Really? No.
Right. Let's go.
Excuse me. I love that. Just gonna wander around first before I do my diversion. Nice garbage.
Fire exit's right behind me. There's nothing there.
But what do I do? Create a distraction. Okay. Should light I don't know, light something on fire.
Was that red warehouse part of the whole chicken farm business?
You know it. It's a shooting range now.
Ah,
I do something to one of the cars. Here's the bike. What's this?
those garbage cans are like the opposite of bear-proof. You know, it's actually really unhealthy for animals to eat our trash.
Simmer down. We don't have time for a rebate.
Which one's Brown's car?
Why?
Fascist tires.
I was thinking of letting a little air out of his tires. You know, in case we need to make a break for it.
Ha ha.
Okay,
Hey, which one's Brown's car?
Why?
You can tell a lot about someone by the car they drive.
Ah, the love language of car people.
you know, I'm starting to get some hints here. I see a lot of bear stuff. It wasn't, Sam a bear? Sam the bad guy? That's my little guess for right now. What about this car?
Staircase should be on the other side of the building.
Okay. It's telling me to go to the staircase. There's something... Okay, go up here. Hmm. I don't know what to do.
Fire exit's right behind me. There's nothing there. Was that red warehouse part of the whole chicken farm business?
You know it. It's a shooting range now.
Ah,
Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna go up one more time and see if there's something I can do looking up. Okay, from here, I see nothing. Okay. Come on, Allison, give me a hint.
those garbage cans are like the opposite of bear-proof. You know, it's actually really unhealthy for animals to eat our trash.
Simmer down. We don't have time for a ranger rant. And I've got the Wildlife Channel too, you know.
Okay, I'm back in. Where is Allison anyway? Oh yeah, she's just standing right here. Holding cell. I think I'm supposed to start a fire. Oh, what's this? Oh, we will be holding emergency evacuation exercise every morning at 8:30. Step away from the station. Those evacuate the building in a quick and orderly manner through the nearest exit. Report to the designated emergency. Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Now, where was I in this report? Ah, right. Oh, hey, sorry, Tyler. I better finish this or Wilson has a conniption.
What about those missing people posters? I could pretend I've seen someone.
Yeah, sure. Might work.
Officer, I think I saw her. I saw that girl,
Oh, which one?
Stella Reyes. I'm positive I saw her when we stopped to get coffee on the way in from Juneau. At Tommy's, right off the Marine Highway.
Sounds like lies.
Yeah, I don't think that was her, kid. Stella Reyes' body was found about 50 miles south of Anchorage a couple weeks ago.
Oh, man. Poor girl.
Yeah, I forgot to take that poster down. I'm sorry.
Tyler.
Okay. What's this? Mailbox bandit.
That pile of paperwork,
What about it?
I could tip it over.
Kinda messy, but I mean, sure.
Jesus, Tyler, what happened?
Sorry, I wasn't looking where I was going.
Just
Pick that
leave
up.
that there.
No, leave it there. No. Oh, she went up.
All right. I'm in position.
What now?
Turn right when you exit the station and follow the side of the building.
Okay.
The staircase will be right there.
La la la. I'm just going for another cigarette. Where are we at? 28 minutes.
Winter hair.
Okay. By the door. Come on.
Ooh, sneaky. Let's do.
Shit.
Where are you?
Right here. Open the door.
Quick, get in. Oh God, what did I just do?
You took control of your destiny. Own it.
Okay, I think game's saved, so I'm going to stop playing right now. So that was part 3 of chapter 2. I'm assuming we're about halfway through the chapter. These things take probably 2 hours for a normal gamer to play them, but 3 hours for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. All right, we'll see you next time.